Bonjour everyone, it's me, Philippe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's be honest. You, me, that guy, that woman, that dog over there, they want ready-made products with their own customized stamp on it. Which is why having a customize option on your website is a perfect way to increase sales. Product options by Bold. With over 2,000 reviews, Product Options by Bold. Best way to achieve product customization. It allows you to have a limited amount of customized options when it comes to your business. Everything from drop-down file and all these wonderful items to be able to properly customize your client's demand. Product Options by Bold come in two packages, $20 a month or $50 a month. It's a powerful app for any merchant who would like to have detail-oriented customization options. Check it out. Infinite Options by ShopPad Inc. Let's say your customer wants a purple shirt, size small, short sleeve that says Jasmine. Well, Infinite Options by ShopPad Inc. will be able to give you all those options customized to your customer's liking, and we'll be able to show it to you in a variety of different conditions and options as needed in a variety of different fonts. Look, it has almost 4,000 reviews and a 4.9 out of 5 star rating. It only has one plan. It's a 14-day free trial, and at only $7.49 a month, it's really low compared to its competitors. With Infinite Options, there is a list of customization options that are offered to you. Let me list you a few of them. Unlimited number of product options to your items, so you're not restricted to Shopify's limit of 3 options and 100 variants. Have control over placeholder and default values. Set field and optional or required. Use product bundling functionality to add additional charges for services or add-ons offered with your product. Create drop-down menus and checkboxes to allow multiple selections. Show a live count of remaining characters when you set a maximum character length. Set minimum and maximum values of numeric fields and create calendars and date pickers. Infinite Product Options by HulkApps.com. Okay, so pay attention here. Infinite Product Options by Hulk Apps essentially provides infinite product options for your customers. It's the best shopping experience. Look, Infinite Product Options by HulkApp.com has 4.6 out of 5 out of over 1,000 reviews and has 3 kick-ass plans. They go from free $10 to $100 a month of their expertise. Come on. Why choose Hulk App Infinite Product Options? Well, here we go. Endless product options. Multi-product options. Oh! In-cart editing, sell more, and increase revenue. Conditional logic, gift wrapping. And it's not over yet. I mean, I can go on, but it is unlimiting the amount of customization options at the disposal. It creates excitement with your clientele. It gives a very unique selling opportunity and gives you the ability to upsell. Trust me, check it out. You will not be disappointed. Product Options and Customizers by Product Customizer. Product Customizers offers a unlimited amount of variant options for your product. It has a 4.6 out of 5 star rating with over 700 reviews and comes in 4 very easy plans. Free demo, basic at $19.99 a month, premium at $49.99 a month, and premium plus at $99.99 a month. On the premium plan, which is the most popular plan, you will get all customization fields available. And I have got my little cheat sheet right here. It will give you the ability to include swatch picker, date picker, and font picker options. Combine variants with product customizer options. Manage and sync your product options across multiple products. Use bulk actions to save time managing large volumes of product. Search and filter products by type or tag to quickly update options, product option templates, and avoid hours spent managing product options. Define fields as required to prevent incomplete orders. Add description and placeholders to ensure customers complete field properly. Show hide options with conditional logic. Use custom option pricing to increase revenue. All of that. Best custom product options by Relentless App. It has a rating of 4.8 stars out of 5 out of 500 reviews. It starts at a very affordable $8.99 a month. It allows you to customize button, checkout dates, order files, borders, colors, you name it. It allows you to do that. It's absolutely amazing. I've got my list here of the things that are available on best custom product options. Let me list you what they can give you. They can give you customizable product options and custom style. I'm talking about size, color, border, styling, all that good stuff. Display products that are in stock, which is very important. No coding required. Thank the Lord. And allow customers to select multiple variants in product options. You need this.